I'll be right there.
Well, you can take our picture. Well, those are now also sites, right?
Everything around here is a huge structure. Those are newer.
Yeah, this is about 3 years old. This I've had it for about a year. I wait when some.
No, actually, this is when.
I only did about 5 years of school here. 10 years as a guide. So, have lots of experience on this.
Yes,
That makes the Maya archaeologists look stupid.
because they say that everything ends in like 950 and.
Mayan people are still writing and counting. And that is 1492.
He was just.
This is where the elite class all gathered and became a lot of times most tour guides don't want to get that deep into it because they're always on a timing, they rush them, so they can't get into it as much. And the other thing is that up above.
A staircase
Yeah,
preparation for
And
construction.
that's a corbel arch right there.
It's an original Mayan corbel arch.
Which is interesting, you know. Maya did all this work and never learned.
They had never invented a keystone. So what we see here is the capstone, which is easily collapsible. Here we are from a distance. I walked through there. Okay. There's the top of another corbel arch that has not been dug out yet. Looking down from the top of this arch area into the central plaza. Looking around the edges. Zoom in a little bit there. Across the plaza, the steps to the next plaza. Up at a big ceremonial arch.
It possibly could be.
This plaza may have been the servants' headquarters. Very small plaza. Everything in little valleys. Little philodendron.
A place I could have belonged. On board the ship, I couldn't see what they were serving because the serving table was above my head. I see.
Just as I shot.
Well, for the
So,
rainy season.
and then in the inside of these rooms, and as well as you can actually see red, and red further down, which is original.
The grain is out.
Looking at the way it was.
Yeah. They have been able to recover liquid mercury in Lamanite, in Caracol, in Copan, and in Tikal. 4 places so far liquid mercury has been recovered.
No, they didn't just lie on this like this.
No. A nice spongy bed out of. Exactly. For the headdress.
To make it.
To make an entrance for a headdress. You need the space. Building there is underground. There's 3 layers of construction there. This is 4, and that floor up there will give you the 5th. So this same amount of buildings are buried behind there.
This is kind of amazing. What are you saying? I want to turn around. and take a picture of my wife in this arch. That is neat. That's my wife, folks. She's smiling, sort of. No, she can't really smile there. Making him famous.
Right across here. Come up. Come up this way.
Okay.
2, 3 layers right here. In construction that they try to add so that the headdress doesn't get messed up. There's only 3
These sites that you walk down with your Quetzal headdress.
layers up here. Okay. I'll show you something now. Right across there, see? This one here. Just all
Yeah,
across.
this.
Totally square.
This way.
No windows, only one door has been recovered. And they found pieces of charcoal, and in the inside there's a little oven.
So this is
And
like
a
a
bed
kitchen.
frame.
This was a kitchen or a
No.
servant's quarters?
There's a bed frame and there's an oven. This is a steam bathroom.
Oh,
My goodness. A spitz. They go.
I needed to
They're
use
very
that.
a steam bath called Temescal.
I know the Chippewas did this.
This is we're in a steam bath.
Because a lot of locks are being lost on it.
Copy, that would be fun to clean. Can I? Oh, yeah. Beautiful bird. I'm making my grand entrance in my headset.
Let's give you this in blue. You won't get a good view.
Blue crown motmot.
There it is. It came back out above the food. For watching becomes good.
Well, something just for the
Vultures, lots of vultures.
Yeah. They remind me of the turkey vultures we have back home.
Mm-hmm. We have lots of these turkey and black vultures.
One of the migration was the bald eagle, and what is it? Well, a lot of different hawks. Red.
What we're looking at here is a termite mound. That's all full of termites. They feed them to chickens.
Here's a scale model for the site right here. And
Not that tiny. It's beautiful. Those Oh,
You know what's neat? Did you see this one? The drawings, and this one does.
don't have the what?
The drawings, a lot of the pottery is
Oh.
just pottery. This has a whole. Read it if you want to read the story of the whole depicts.
We're each impressed by different things. Yeah, as like in cooking in my armpit. Look. Oh, that might be a good idea.
I don't know. I didn't think so.
Where, honey?
Around this side. You want me to hold the camera?
That's one of the best ones I tried. Yeah? Yeah. I know, it's really good. It's good.
About the other, well, my other camera is it does panorama. It's this does.
Okay, I'm a little bit off to get the... There.
Or go to the right, either way. Or to the left.
And there's a cute little
Oh, that's beautiful.
bird over there. Sitting on a tree.
Very good.
This river. Come down to the observatory. What animal? The peregrine falcons are one of the ones that fly around over Rock Mountain, and we have seen them. It's part of the migration. You would love them.
But it's this big flying there. The orange-breasted falcon is the most endangered. spectacular view. This is that. This is an immature king vulture. But see how he's flying by himself?
Yeah.
He's an immature king. See, the other ones don't have
The same span
the
for
same.
one.
Oh my God! Look at that. That.
The red with the red.
Wow! Oh my God! Look at that.
The white on the front. This is the
That's the most endangered species of vulture. It's a recessive gene. It happens like out of 1,000 of them, you'll get a black vulture. Look at the pink vulture.
You mean it's in the same family as the black
It's a black
vulture?
one, yeah.
But it's a mutation?
Yeah.
See, and I saw them first as I saw something different
You don't
flying
remember
toward
seeing
us.
it yesterday in the zoo at the very entrance, the big king vulture?
Maybe.
They have red heads.
Yeah, they you see a lot of them at Hawkman. And you tie up like this.
Time to get a
You know what eBay is?
Yeah, the other thing is that you get fires occasionally. That's natural.
Up there that's cleared. Well, they move around. They're not going to stay still.
The other one is still there though. The other one is still there.
Oh, I got him a little bit, but
Quick. Oh my goodness, I'm enjoying my birding today. More than I didn't even realize I was going to see so much. I haven't seen this little bird. Let me go back a little for this guy.
How far can you actually go?
We go a little bit using. Oh, perfect. The sun has come out. Look across there. See that? This stuff is coming. I like that. The last one is face, nose, and mouth. All man face.
oh, okay, yeah.
Go back a little bit.
Oh, wait, it's got it finished. Now, where should I go? Which direction? Oh, that's the old man. I can see it from here.
This one down below. See where the saligates are hanging down?
That's a cool like
If you want to go down there, you
Yeah.
want to see how they're going? That's how you go.
Is there more to see?
they're supposed to be climbing over there. Like
I don't know. None of my business.
with the pine.
The pine trees and the ground to be exposed. And the big changes in
What is this called where we are right now?
Rio on
This is Rio on Pools.
I saw him.
Where those are what where?
música. She's playing music now.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Hey, you're gonna break the artifacts.
I think she likes you, Luis.
Maybe with her boyfriend. She has a boyfriend that plays with M16s. She's one of the youngest one. She's a little senior. No, you know when you hear yes.
No, this is the museum.
The museum.
This isn't the gift shop.
But you made some.
See what the sign say there. She's loving it right there. She just dumped me. Please send me another. He promised she'd love me. And then she dumped me. That's what
The song is.
yeah.
The bird should be able to get out through the window.
Poor little bird.
Gerardo, qué muy cabrón. No juegas cantinflas para el chiste. No te digo que no digo que
It went
cantinflas.
out. Thank you. Oh, bird, we got the glass doors open and got it back outside.
What?
A bird. Didn't you just see the?
You get rid of the screen. Alright. We just take a couple of
Of course it is. Everything in here is for sale. What?
Can I read this? Are you filming?
What? Yeah. Sorry. Show me what you want me to read.
What it says about this one and then look at it.
Do they have any of those heads?
The jade looking head?
Yeah.
Keep going this way and that way. I'm waiting for them to come back and do it. Shoelaces. Oh, there's lots of fun. Oh wait, I didn't try that right. I'm having having company.
she's kissing me.
Yeah, she's adorable, that little girl.
This is leafcutter ants. Some of them are doing carrying. Others are riding shotgun on the leaf. Many of them are protecting their flanks. There are army ants all over the place protecting them. Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, isn't that same guy?
Yeah.
Yes.
You get to part of my place, huh?
I don't know, we can. Like I told you, we're going to get him a book. It'll be about $25. Tapes and all kinds.
What you would have, say they come in seed pods.
That's
and then
chocolate
in
in
the-
there.
that's a chocolate seed pod right there. And then in the inside it's filled with this little bean. So from there on you have really good stuff going on. They're not good.
This is Cahoon.
That's the nut.
That's the nut right there. Yeah.
There's the
It's
fruit.
from the nut inside the
That's the
Cahoon.
nut. That's the nut.
The fruit of the nut, yeah.
Oh, just like coconut.
It looks like coconut.
The local people would ground it, boil it, let it sit overnight, and the oil then was being used for massaging oil.
Oh, that's right, coconut oil.
For oil lamps and for torches. Then the Arawak Indians came to Belize, and the next thing is that they end up using this for
The harder pump.
the little harder
That's
shells.
the type.
So that's why we give it the name back.
Look, you can, and that's a bit, here.
Tata. That's the
Cecropia.
Cecropia peltata. That plant there contains a mild insulin, which was being used and it's still today used to control diabetes. And this is interesting in our area. Diabetes, when you think about it, for us, diabetes is very recent. 500-year-old generation has actually had the problem with diabetes. We've never had that before. Only elite did alcohol. So it was like forbidden. Next thing happens, the elite collapses, and then alcohol is free.
Everybody wants.
And now, but it's not genetic. It doesn't go with the gene. So the biggest problem then, of course, is like the Mayan Indians, as well as quite a few other ethnic groups, don't do with alcohol. And in this region here, we
Bullet trees like ironwood. Bay cedar.
look at the fruit. And it doesn't have any smell right now.
Yeah, I'm
And-
sniffing. It doesn't smell like
See
cedar.
that little opening space right there?
Yeah.
Okay. When it dries, it's full with honey.
Oh, okay.
That's how it is. And this is, the kids love it. The problem is if they eat it. It's like an Imodium AD.
Oh.
The Creole people call it the plug up your butt.
By a campfire.
I'm not getting him clear yet. Okay, how come I'm not getting him clear?
Because it's matching what he's walking. Don't come on.
Get him?
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful.
The mahogany tree. You've seen some nice ones yesterday.
This is the leaf from the mahogany?
No, it's different.
What is this leaf
The
from?
allspice.
By tasting, smell.
They get strychnine. Foxbury, bullhorn acacia, with tremendous thorns. Work with the leaf cutter.
Oh,
Allspice helps you avoid cavities.
Avoiding cavity.
could tell what you
No,
meant.
cures it.
No, cures it?
Cures
This
it.
cures dysentery.
Cures it. They get hurt with it. So they drink, the local people take them and
The tea tree oil,
This
I
gave
use
us the
tea
first
tree oil,
turpentine.
which
This is the incense
which is food
that
grade
the Maya used.
turpentine.
We
Very-
use plants in the United States for study. Out of that, 1,500 have been researched. Out of the 1,500 researched, 12 are actually promising plants for the 20th century.
Cubic spine, and this is for cancer.
For cancer. For cancer, and possibly the research is also a AIDS virus. See that? This much right here. Boil it in clean drinking water. Up to 10 glasses of water. 4 glasses to be put aside. Just 4 glasses.
Wild custard apple enables you to survive from yellow fever and hepatitis. Fiddlewoods for making your marimba. Skunk root for like
You have
cabbage
skunk cabbage growing in the yard.
for curing asthma.
I should,
It's considered the last of the remedies. But it is functional. Now all plants, all of them, go through the moon cycle. And a moon cycle is 3 days before full moon or 3 days. This will try to do it, but gumbo limbo will not permit that to happen. So it taps onto it, and then it blocks it out from releasing its poison. So it accumulates here.
This
For
gumbo
heat
limbo is like
rashes,
cortisone.
For chicken packs, for all of that stuff.
And you
This
just
plant,
take the bark.
just the bark.
Here
And-
we have a chewing gum tree, chicle.
And the biggest problem, it is chewing gum with exploited.
The Mayan sacred tree.
The branches will hold up the 13 upper world, the roots will go into the 9 underworld, and we are in the center, the middle world. And probably, due to its sounds, they believe that they can communicate to the gods in many different ways. Puntas, go like this, mano de lagarto, alligator paw. Now, local people take these, boil them, and drink them. See the name given to it? Jackass bitters. You have to be a jackass to go drink something like that. That's what Creole says. You have every item here. All the things you need. The most common object that was being found within Mayan sites was a donut and objects. Why?
Like a mortar and pestle
This is
for grinding.
This is, you grab it so that you don't get any contact with the hot peppers. And squeeze. That's how
Oh, these women, Mayan women. They want to hold it in their hand, that's good.
they realized it. And then all they had to do is ask. You go to a
Scored.
and it's round. And then what we do, Mayan culture believes in 40 days of rest for the body.
Depends how fast you want to go on Saturday. Let me.
Right here, they don't have much problem.
Tiger. It was a baby green heron. I don't know why it was there. But she rehabilitated it and then was able to.
That's when you saw the tiger.
No, that was for another time.
Yeah, sure.
You got him?
Yeah.
Nice.
Not his head, the rest of his body without his head. I can't see his head. Still can't see his head. Oh, it's going to come in a second. There it is. Oh, that head is beautiful like a J.
Got him, right?
Yeah, oh, that's beautiful.
Violation strogan.
What's it called?
The violation strogan.
Violation Strogan.
See that little ring around the eye?
Yep.
Beautiful, huh?
Niche, and later on I'm going to see them.
No. You film the niche. Film the niche right here.
That's what I'm doing. I'm filming the
Can
niche.
you see the spots now? You can find them?
There's a few little spots, but I can't see that they're.
Keep looking at the niche. Keep looking at the niche. Right now, I'm going to put this.
But they blend very well. They
Find them?
blend.
Spot?
I'm looking at something. I'm not sure if they're bad.
That's them. There's one.
Focus on them. A bunch of little spots.
They're,
You get them?
Yes,
I don't want to get that close to the mouth.
Don't worry, they're not going to.
that's amazing.
You got them?
Yep.
Now you see them.
Yep.
They have a bunch of little white spots on their back.
Yeah, some dots like. I can see them.
Oh, is that beautiful? We're looking at now.
Little blue heron. Up in the rocks, right?
Yep.
Oh, standing over there. Green herons, we do get a green heron.
You get great blue, right?
Green.
Green
There's
heron.
some green herons. I've seen a couple times with that one, like early in the season, but once you have the motorboats out, they don't have. The ducks, we get the ducks.
It's a green one.
No,
What is it?
it's an otter.
Huh?
It's an otter. No, it's iguana. You're absolutely right. I didn't know they went in the water.
Swimming. Look at him. Oh, adorable.
Yeah.
He's got a lot.
I got them swimming and walking out of the water. I'm looking at them right now.
That's cute. I heard him go in, and I thought it was my imagination. From swimming? You need the foothold. find a different place to come up. There's two of us, and they're together.
See two?
See, and I don't even have my glasses on. Now, out in the land areas there, will you see like the is it like an lot and the Margates and the little, and the cats that live here?
Yeah.
They will be out in this area?
They would be in Jaguar's one. The big, the two little two.
Jaguar would be, well, like when we were at the 1,000.
That's right, that area. Oh yeah.
I lost him.
Be a nice place to have one.
There, Luca. Yes, it is. There it is. Great blue heron.
We just took a look at the make it pretty flat, like you said, it's a flat.
I don't see his head yet. Okay, there it is.
Kind of peeking down to look at you for a second.
Yeah, tasty too.
They're like dens on the rock.
Get him?
Just a second. Yeah. He just fits in here nicely. Just sitting there.
Yeah, well, it's sunny, a little bit of sun there.
There was like a flash. Oh, he moved his head.
Lovely, tail to
7 nights.
Did we see that?
Yeah, we saw that with Ellen DeGeneres' girlfriend. What was she's gay.
Huh?
The girl in that movie.
The girl in that movie,
Lives with her
she likes
girlfriend.
girls.
She's gay.
Are you serious?
Yeah, she's
Yes.
gay.
And she looks so good.
Yes, she
What,
does.
You can't look good and be gay?
That would be a hard thing for me.
You should have put boots in the car. We didn't have a lot of snow until we left. We didn't have any real snow at all. We were very spoiled. It's 50-some degrees, which is warm in November. And then it went down to 0 for some days, and then it went warm again. Look at you, you're posing. What's he doing with his wings? Just
Drying his wings because this bird doesn't have enough oil on the feather. So
San Ignacio Metal Bridge that goes from Santa Elena to Cayo de San Ignacio.